I'm going to show how to lay out something like this design. This is in our demo. First, I'm going to start out with a picture. And then I'm going to overlay a text box here. And I'm going to turn the background to black. You can use either black or white, really any color, but typically you use black or white on your background transparency. Just make it more transparent in the layers palette, and you get your bleed through. And then you want to create a text layer for your text and lay it right on top of your transparency. And you want to click this background option, and that just makes the whole background go away. Setting the text color to white. You can use a text shadow on this, typically a black text shadow, and now just highlight the text a little bit more. For the buttons, you create a new layer, and to get this more centered, you want to set your line height a little bit higher. Little border helps. And making it a little bit transparent. To create another button just like it, you want to do a duplicate text layer, and that's right down here. To set the links on these, you click this button here and send it to the page you want it to go to. If you get this underline, go to text decoration and click none. I'll take away the underline. You can find borders online. Search at Google or Yahoo, and these are transparent PNGs here, and they could just set right in the corners. There's a lot to choose from. They're free a lot of times. Lay a border around this in white. there's no exact right way of doing this, just whatever looks good. You go around your corners with this border radius. That just gives nice round corners. Or in text boxes, if you set the border radius high, and get your circles. So basically you're just building one item on top of each other. And again, this little tool right here makes it transparent, and that's kind of your best friend with this program. You go surround the corners of your picture. That'd be in the pictures palette. And for resources, you could get, this picture came from the Dollar Photo Club. It's $1 per image, which is super cheap for images. At Pixabay.com you could get free images. They're public domain images there. And then for the borders, free clip art borders, Google search. You're really looking for transparent PNG borders, because then the background will show through, and that's kind of what you're looking for. Of course, on this you lay these in the four corners if you're doing, like, if it's just a single one. There's other types that are complete borders, such as these. This one's not transparent, and you can't change this to transparency, so that's one of the problems with having a non-transparent. But what you can do, if it's not transparent, you can make it more transparent, and then you'll have a real soft border with this type, and you could just set it in there. If you need it to be not the same width and height, then you could click that button there and adjust. And that's kind of how you could do a soft border with that type of picture. And that's about it. Doesn't take long. This layout took me 10 minutes to do. It's not done, of course, but I wouldn't spend more than 20 doing a complete one. As you get better at the program, it goes pretty quick. And that's the video.